Hey everyone, here is how you can further lower the exposures from your JRS Eco Wi-Fi router. And although they do a good job with the software they provide of making this Wi-Fi router safer, there are a few things you can do to make it just a little bit better. So this screen here is the control panel for your router, and you've probably seen this when you set yours up. It's good to have this bookmarked so you can get in quickly. What we're going to do here is come down and click wireless. And over here under professional, the first thing we want to do is disable one of the two bands that this Wi-Fi router transmits on. I'd suggest the 5 gigahertz. So you come in here and you click that, select it, and over here, enable radio, we're going to click no. That will turn that one off and basically cut the transmit power in half because that band is no longer there. Down here, click apply. That's number one. Number two is to use the wireless scheduler. So you click yes, time scheduling. Select the times that you want the Wi-Fi off for each day of the week. Sleeping times are a great time to do this. And one thing to note, this won't affect anything plugged into your router via Ethernet. So if you have a laptop or something connected, that will still be able to connect even if this is scheduled for an off time. That will only turn the Wi-Fi off. So make your changes here and then click apply. And then come back to the professional tab. All the way down at the bottom, transmit power adjustment. So these routers today are very high powered and they can easily cover the whole house. Well, in a lot of cases they can. And we'd like to reduce this transmit power and essentially not cover the whole house and only cover like one room, one small area of the home with Wi-Fi. That's a really good, smarter way to use this if you do need to have Wi-Fi in your home. So that's done down here, and you can see all the way over to the left is the lower transmit power, lower radiation. So I'd suggest you get that over to the left as far as possible while still being able to get a connection. And even at this low level, I imagine you'll still be able to do that. So get that down here, test and make sure it works. To set it into the settings, you click apply, and that's it. Those are the top 3 things you can do to kind of next level your JRS Eco Wi-Fi router.